Hello everyone, myself Ravikumar. Let us start with the new program, that is program number J15, Palindrome with message display. So what is Palindrome first? So first question comes, we are writing program for Palindrome. So first question, it is absolutely comes like what is mean by Palindrome, or what is Palindrome basically? So word, a phrase or sequence that reads the same backwardness as forward. As forward. So for example, if I give the example, madam is the best example and I is also best example. You can see these two problems. If you read from left side also and if you read from right side also, it will be same spelling it contains. So it has to leads to the same backwardness or forwards. So in other words, I can define in simple words. What I can define is palindrome is a word sentence which is same if we read from left to right or right to left, and note which is given. So to display the message on special instruction, use DOS functions given by the Microsoft or used for the message instructions. Display the message instructions. So for example, LEA DX no pal, if pal is there, PALS, so palindrome is there means LEADX PALES, like that we have to use. So move h comma 09 is the DOS function, and int 21h to display the message 09 DOS function is used. This is very important. To display the any message on the screen, 09 DOS function is very important. So let's get started. Let us start the execute. Let us start execute the program in DOSBox. Now type edit space J J15 dot ASM. Click on enter. So you can see here the program palindrome. So data segment org0h string db. So madam, this is the string which I want to, which is I have to find out this is palindrome or not with the message display. That if it is palindrome, what is the result I should get is yes, it is palindrome. So like that. So pali s db given string is palindrome. Is a palindrome. So dollar symbol with inverted comma. So what it means, given string is palindrome, dollar symbol implies that it will end the line there only. If at all we don't write the dollar symbol here, so it will go on like that. It will continuously sentence will uh, display on the screen. Therefore, to avoid that, we have to use dollar symbol. So next, like that, if at all palindrome no means, if given number is not palindrome, you have to tell the microprocessor by this word, the pali no db given string is not a palindrome. So data ends. Start with the code segment. Assume CS up to this is fixed. So move CL comma 05. Why move CL comma 05? So because of this string contains five, that is five words. So therefore move CL comma 05. LEASI string means string that is load effective address, that is initializing the pointer pointing first R. So then move di, this is not first R, it is pointing first m, it is okay, first m it is. So this is pointing last m, so pointing last m. So move di comma 04. So then move go back, forgot about go back. Now move al comma si. So one data from si, that is one word from si is moved to al. Then compare, again comparing, after moving one data from di is moved to al. So both we have to compare. So after comparing this, if it is equal it will go down. If it is equal, go down. So what go down label indicates means, so go down label indicates increment Si, increment Di, Je go down, Je down. So if it is equal, increment Si, decrement Di, decrement Cl. So if at all it is not, if it is equal, it is, if it is not equal, move h comma 09 in 21h jump over. So like that it will directly display. So LEA DX Pally yes. So JNZ go back, JE down. If at all it is palindrome, JE equal means it is palindrome. Come here down, it will come here and increment directly. So if at all it is not equal, LADX Pally no, it will display. So if it is Pally, it is Pally yes means, if it is equal means it is palindrome. Therefore, it will display the palindrome. Yes, it is a palindrome, like that it will display. So then after that, up to till count becomes 0. So it will go on continuing like this only. It's code and sendment. So let us execute the program. So run the program. So type MASM space J15 dot ASM semicolon, click on enter. 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Link J15 dot obj semicolon, click on enter. Next step is debug step, debug space J15 dot exe. So click on enter. So you get a slash, type U for unassible, find out for move h comma 4 line. G is equal to 0 space h comma 4 line is, it contains upside 2D. So click on enter. So result will be in memory d space ds colon 0. Click on enter. You can see here. You can see here. Here, madam given string is a palindrome. It is showing this side. So there only, if it, there is no need to type d space ds all. So after typing z is equal to 0 space 2d only, given string is a palindrome. It is showing. So means madam is a palindrome. If you give another like code, if you give, for example, if you write that in palindrome code, you write means it is not a palindrome. Directly it will show like that, it is not a palindrome. Whatever I given in the data, it is palindrome. Therefore, it is saving given string is a palindrome. So this is all program with uh, different. This is a different program other than what we done J14, J13, J12. This is message display program. We'll see the message on the screen. So that's it by using DOS function, 09 DOS function. Thank you.